right, we're out here getting ready to run on top of the world. Awesome trail. I love doing the spot. Such an epic view from the top. But right now, airing up from where we hit the trail yesterday. Met up with Charlene Bowers of Bauer Motorsports Media and the Ladies Off-Road Network. Awesome chick. Known her for a lot of years, and she just is an awesome wheeler, awesome person to know in the industry. She lives out here in Moab, so figured hang out with the locals. All right, today we are on top of the world at the trailhead, getting ready to run. We got Charlene Bowers. Yay! Did I point to you? I can't really see enough. Yeah.
It's me!
Yeah, so we got her well-equipped JK along with my parents. Got a lot to do today. Long trail, it was about a 45-minute drive out here. Let's go do it.
Back in the 70s, my parents had a CJ5, and they would do these hill climbs and mud run competitions with their local club. Yep, that's my mom in that shot. Well, it's been a few years since they got behind the wheel off-road, so after a few pointers from Charlene and myself, we offered up the driver's seats to give my parents a turn to drive all the way up to the top.
I followed your directions the whole way. It's awesome. Oh.
So cool.
Beyond! I loved it.
On the edge. Top of the world. Come forward a little bit. About 5 feet. So 2 feet. One on the brake, one on the gas.
So down there, that trail is Onion Creek. Have you ever done Onion Creek?
I've never done Onion Creek.
Okay, Onion Creek is gorgeous. Like, that's another great one to do if you're just by yourself-ish, you know. But as you can see, it's a dirt road-ish that winds all the way back in. You can also jump up into the LaSalle's and take the trails through, and it drops you right back down where Hell's Revenge is through the park.
Okay. All right, so it's pretty epic using something like the Onyx app. Use it plenty of times. Use it to navigate up to this spot to see this epic view from top of the world. All right, so for today's excursion, doing something a little bit different. We're gonna take the Jeep, but heading into town, we're gonna be riding on a jet boat down the Colorado River, so I'm pretty pumped on that. So yeah, let's go.
Now, I've seen these aluminum-bodied jet boats racing up and down the river for the last couple of years. I've just never had the opportunity to jump on one until now.
So lookout's right there. Where is it? Right there.
These boats haul butt, traversing boulder-ridden waters and shallow rapids for a fun and surprisingly educational outing. There's 3 boats in the tour, all with expert drivers and decades of experience. Along the way, they're explaining things like Moab's fault lines, the way the rocks break off from the canyon walls, all while whipping some wicked power slides and charging the rapids for one wet ride. This is definitely a highlight of the trip.
What do you guys think so far?
Oh, it's another one of those. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
All right, we're down to our final day out here in Moab. Thought we'd do something a little bit different. We've done the trails, we've done the jet boat, we've checked out arches, but now doing something a little different. Getting up early before the sunrise, do a hot air balloon.
the steering wheel in this thing. You can go up and down, you can change that altitude and sometimes find different wind, move in different directions.
No, I think she's kind of liking it. I don't know if she likes this trail, but I think she likes wheeling. Check out that view though. So, what you think? You like Moab Rim? Yeah, it's a little sketchy. So it's a challenging trail, and the whole time you are right there on the edge of a cliff. Hey guys, what is going on? Today is a road day on my trip from Moab out to the Rubicon Trail to meet up with our friends from Fox. Now, I dropped my parents off at the airport in Salt Lake City, and not too far from there is the Salt Lake Desert. I thought, why not bring Clifford out here, get some pictures. I got a little bit of time on my hands before I need to be on the Rubicon Trail. So if you guys have not seen this, we've had this Jeep. It's been our R&D Jeep. We've done all kinds of stuff with it over the years. Now this is just a super capable, not over the top setup. So front and rear, we got the J-Max long arm system. So the long arm is going to be available soon, but the J-Max with the coilovers at all four corners. We've got Fox 2.5 coilovers. We've got Fox 2.0 IFP bump stops. Along with that, we've got 37-inch BFG mud train, the Cam3. We got 17-inch method beadlocks. We got Barnes rock sliders, Crawl Tech bumpers front and rear. We got the JKS tramp stamp. Up top, the brand new Sherpa roof rack. That just mounts to your gutter, super clean, super low profile. I really do like that setup. And along with that, in the front, it's just a stock Rubicon for the most part, so still has 410s. But the one thing we did upgrade is the RCV axles. So we do have RCVs along with the Flex Connect, you know, just a nice clean setup. Overall, this setup has done phenomenal. 80, 85 on the highway, no problem whatsoever. So at this point, I got about 450 miles to go today to get myself out to the Rubicon Trail to meet up the guys from Fox, along with some other friends. So stay tuned, we got a lot more coverage coming.
This has already been one epic trip. Doing the math, in the end, I will have driven this Jeep nearly 2,500 miles across 4 states, doing plenty of highway miles, some gnarly trails, seeing some epic scenery, and making memories to last a lifetime.
All right, guys, update. We are still driving. It is a long drive across the country, but we are going across Nevada right now, probably about 2 hours out from Reno. The sun's setting. We got a gorgeous view out here right now. But I am headed to the airport right now. I'm going to be picking up Dylan at the airport. He'll be riding along with me on the Rubicon Trail. So yeah, stay tuned.